my channel. So as you may well have guessed, I'm doing a day in the life. It's Friday the 2nd of June and it's quite warm today. We've got a few little chores to do and I don't know what else, I don't know what my plan is, but I am dressed and ready for the day and it's like 10 o'clock? I have no idea, but I am recording on my new phone, so I'm hoping the footage turns out okay. This is a Sony Xperia XA1 if you want to know, and it's in pink. I'll see if I can show you with my other camera, but yeah, so welcome to the day in the life. So we're over Liam's mum's at the moment and we've just been shopping over Co-op. It's actually really hot today and I'm in a jumper. I don't know what's happening there. But Lils is playing in the garden. Liam's putting grass seed down to make it look a bit nicer. My hair's scruffy as anything, but I don't care. It's like so nice today, as you can tell outside, like the sun is shining its head off and we're enjoying it outside. Lil's got a samp out. We've just had a fab ice lolly each and it's just really nice. We're sort of chilling with all the family. We've got Liam's mum and dad and nan and granddad over here, so yeah, it's just really nice. It's a little bit too hot though. So this little snail here was in one of Lily's toys and she asked me to move it, so I rescued him. Show us.
One jump, two jump, and one new belly.
What for?
Fix your HICCUPS.
HICCUPS? Do you mean hiccups?
Hiccups.
Show. So we are finally home from Liam's mum's. We had a lovely day, but I thought I'd quickly show you what we got from Co-op. So all the frozen bits are from the £5 meal deal. So we've got some sausage rolls, some fab lollies, some bird's eye fish fingers, some Albert Bartlett rooster wedges, a little bag of mixed vegetables and some crispy chicken. That was all £5. And then Liam's got into fajitas, so this was on offer for 50p, so I grabbed that. Then we needed some fabric conditioner, some bread, some juice, some milk, and then we got some orange juice as well.
Daddy likes cars, doesn't he?
He does.
And he's still watching it.
I bet he is as well. You have a nice bath?
Yeah. I'm making bubble mix.
So Lils is freshly clean and out of the bath.
Hello.
She's got her milk at the moment and then we're going to read a story in a minute. Daddy's just gone to go see a friend for a second, so we're going to wait for him to come back up so she can say goodnight. I look a mess, I'm sorry guys. But yeah, we've had a really nice day and I really want to get back into my vlogging and videos, and now I've got 2, including this one, to edit. I did have 3, but the other one went a bit wrong. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today. It's a little bit boring, but we had a lovely sort of family day and got a few bits done. I hope you have had a lovely day yourself, and I hope you've had a lovely half term if it's been half term for you. This is Lil's last term at nursery and that is mental and quite scary. She's growing up way too fast. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love you to join and give me a like if you want to and a comment down below and I will happily reply. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Alan's big teeth. Oh, big scary teeth. Alan came from a long line of very scary alligators. He was known throughout the jungle for scaring. It was what he did